Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio in the gallery. And I have some paint in a cup. And I need to do something with the paint in the cup to feel better. So I am going to take a puddle of black and that thing hanging out of the spout. And a favorite color that's iridescent. I'm not sure what it is. Throw some more colors down there. Grab a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula if I can. There, no, I got them out of the bucket. Cool. I got beautiful colors in the bottom here. Let's see if I can do anything with this so I don't have to waste them. I hope that I can. So let's grab an edge catcher. My turntable is trashed. My glasses are not on my head. Where did I put them down? There they are. I got them. Yay. Alright, so that's cool. I'm looking for the orange. Don't ask me why. I don't want that black enamel, but I do want a black. Because paint will flow to paint, but paint in a puddle will all flow over its own coolness, and I want to have something else on here. And obviously I'm going to probably have too much paint, but I don't know if I care. Kind of want some white metallic in there, and I have some. A little more black. Yeah, I got too much paint. It's okay, I like my colors just fine. I'm going to see how close I can get it to the edges. And I might just pour it off and pour it back on again. Because that works sometimes. I rock my edge catcher a little bit. This might be the fastest video ever. So, I'm looking for my tweezers to get that thing I see out of there. I think it's a thing. Might be a bubble. Nope, that's a thing. Or a bubble. And I gotta keep the thumb hold I've got. Kind of wish I had some more white over there. And I like all that, and I don't want it to go. I was gonna take it and put it on the other side, but I think I'm just gonna let it be. Oh, that was the enamel. I didn't mean to use that. Throw my thumb in this side. Throw it back again. See if I can make a wave go down to the bottom. Come on. Sometimes my edge catchers don't behave. I'm not sure I like this very much yet, but I am pretty sure I can do something about it if I'm just willing to let the wave go back again. That orange didn't do as much for me as I was hoping it was going to. I do want a torch. I'm thinking I want something else. That won't be it because it will darken. So let's grab my favorite. Throw a few waggles in there. See if I need something else. I want to just stick my skewer in there. This is an awful lot of paint, and the last time I did it, it worked out for me well. That's better already. Those white corners are leading my eye right out of the composition. I think I'm okay with that. That's cool. So I got a newly painted edge catcher. Eventually I will use them. And if I have any paint on my turntable, I'll cover it up. Cover up my corners, I mean. One little spiral in there will only lead to more spirals. And I'll use the residual on that corner. That just makes me want more white. So sometimes it's okay to put some dots in. Because they'll lead the eye around in nice ways. This reminds me of a jungle theme I did the other day. This is still bugging me. And if it worked a little, it'll work a lot. Hopefully. The only thing I want now is some glue. And I could do turquoise. Pretty happy to cover that white up with the blue though. Kind of still hoping that I've got a chance of torching up a few cells. But I like that. Thank you guys for joining me. I do sell my artwork and my email address is below the Linktree link. On the Linktree you're going to find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, and my Facebook groups. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More has my Shop Now button that'll take you to fineartamericapixels.com for over 1,400 Christmas presents. Teespring below the video has all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts that are very cool, and other stuff, all with my designs on them. So all the shopping you do from my site helps me out, including the Amazon link. If you shop the Amazon link on the Linktree, it's at no added cost to you and it helps me out. Alright, I got a mess, but I also like what I've got for the most part. Very much, as strange as it is. Am I done? Ha! Am I ever done? There. That's gonna do it, I think. Good. Alright, I love you guys. Take care of yourselves, take care of each other. Check out some of my playlists. There's over 1,500 videos there. I'm going to zoom in while I get a minute. Pardon my mess. I got some major reflections over there. I wish I could cover them all. Alright, so if you guys like my videos, please give me a thumbs up, share them, watch them longer, watch them when the notifications come out. Keep making those wonderful comments. You cheer me up immensely. And thank you all for the contributions that have helped keep me painting. And if you want to be in the monthly drawing to win a painting, then all you need to do is look at the end-screen video of the exhibition that month, and it will probably show you exactly what's up for grabs. Thank you guys, thank you guys, thank you guys. Check out my books, volumes 1 and 2, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. They are on the Amazon link. My community board has tomorrow's video, so does Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you all. Take care of each other. I told you that already. Take care of yourselves. I don't think I forgot anything. I'm sure there's something. Anyway, you guys be good, or not. Bye for now. Priscilla out.